Ever wondered how colossal machines transform massive construction sites and mining operations? Dive into the world of heavy machinery and discover the incredible power and precision behind these engineering marvels. P&H 4800 XPC electric rope shovel. With a massive operating weight of 1,650 tons, this beast has a bucket capacity of 122 tons, ideal for large-scale mining operations. It ensures maximum productivity. The Panther Series 2, with its impressive 10-ton weight and 6-ton payload capacity, is designed for off-road efficiency. Perfect for heavy-duty construction and mining. It navigates the toughest terrains with ease. The Li-Air R96 4C Demolition Cutter. With powerful cutting tools, excels in demolishing buildings and large structures. It efficiently handles concrete slabs, steel structures, and various construction materials, making it ideal for complex demolition tasks. With a drilling depth of up to 100 meters and a torque output of 280 kN. This powerful machine is essential for foundation work in construction. It ensures stability and precision in every project. Prepare to be astonished by the Komatsu L2350 excavator, effortlessly loading haul trucks with 320 to 400 ton payloads. The TWW log stacker operates 24/7, up to 8,000 hours annually, in temperatures from negative 35 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. I've never seen anything like this. Moving such massive equipment through tight spaces is incredible. The stator looks like it could power a city. Locals must have been amazed. The Bagger 293, known as the Monster of Lignite, is one of the world's largest bucket wheel excavators, standing over 96 meters tall and weighing more than 14,000 tons. It's powered by an 18,000 horsepower motor, showcasing remarkable engineering. Weighing 120 tons with a bucket capacity of 6.5 cubic meters, the Hitachi EX1200 is built for heavy excavation. Its efficiency and durability make it ideal for demanding mining and construction tasks. The Nilla Dutch Lion is a modern ship that transports cargo and containers in the Western Scheldt near Vinga, Netherlands. As a maritime industry symbol, it plays a crucial role in managing regional water traffic. Check out the Transmaster 5055THGN Stretch Steerable Trailer in action. It handles a loaded vessel nearly 14 feet wide and over 60 feet long, weighing 48,000 pounds. Its hydraulic removable gooseneck and steerable axles make maneuvering easy. This showcases how renewable energy can be harnessed. Lasso's ability to transport massive wind turbine blades through challenging environments enables wind farms in remote areas, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. The T bulldozer is a heavyweight in construction, weighing 12.8 tons. It excels in land leveling and mining with its 850 horsepower diesel engine. Weighing 400 tons with a bucket capacity of 22 cubic meters, the Liber R9400 delivers outstanding performance. It's engineered for efficiency in large-scale mining operations and heavy-duty excavation. Versabar's new underwater lifting device, the Claw, is controlled by the VB10000 system. It performs diverse lifting operations for structures at depths up to 500 feet. Today's large bridge construction often employs advanced lifting equipment, including this transport vehicle with up to 100 wheels. This vehicle can transport concrete blocks weighing up to 3,500 tons for building highways and bridges. High-speed train tracks require regular cleaning to remove track ballast. The RMW 1500, at 150 meters long, handles up to 1,500 cubic meters of ballast per hour with a specialized chain drive mechanism. Its adjustable cleaning width of 4 to 5.5 meters makes it ideal for track maintenance. The GT3200 is a concrete curb and gutter machine used in construction to pour and spread concrete for curbs and gutters. It's a self-propelled unit that runs on tracks or rubber tires, with self-positioning and adjustable drop height features. With a robust operating weight of 1,200 tons and a bucket capacity of 96 tons, the P&H 4100 XPC excels in massive mining tasks. It's designed for high efficiency and maximum productivity in the toughest environments. The CAT 87550 boasts a maximum lifting capacity of 400 tons and a reach of up to 100 meters. Ideal for heavy lifting and construction, it provides unmatched stability and power for large-scale projects. Weighing 50 tons with an 8 cubic meter bucket, the CB450 is ideal for mining and large-scale construction. It excels at handling bulk materials like gravel and ore, enhancing efficiency in material handling and excavation projects. Divin specializes in designing and operating the world's largest and most powerful trenchers. The TI 4500 model, built for various underground tasks, can dig up to 14 meters in loose and dense soils. This colossal machine, weighing 1,200 tons with a bucket capacity of 52 cubic meters, is designed for massive mining operations. The 6090 FSV delivers unparalleled digging power and efficiency in the most demanding environments. Truck enthusiasts, check out this beast tackling a muddy incline with a staggering 300,000-pound load. This 140 feet long, 17 feet wide, and 19 feet tall rig doesn't even need a winch. Imagine maneuvering a bridge-building behemoth on a narrow elevated road, like parallel parking a semi in a bike lane, but with a specialized turning platform. Engineers make the impossible possible. With a robust weight of 35 tons and a blade width of 4.5 meters, the John Deere 672 GP excels in heavy grading and earth moving. Perfect for large-scale construction and road building projects. Explore the power and precision of the Volvo FH1 16750 lugging track in action. Its capability to navigate narrow passages, conquer steep grades, and efficiently unload massive logs is amazing. This giant effortlessly shreds large logs and branches into fine chips and sawdust. Witnessing a true professional in mulching is an eye-opener. Let's visit a white radish field. This white radish harvester digs up radishes, shakes off soil, and transports them via conveyor belt into a storage bin. This machine's conveyor moves onions sideways, rotates, and shifts 500 millimeters with a handle switch. It can bundle, aiding in dirt removal and drying. In my country, This chamomile is harvested for herbal medicine and cosmetics, valued for its health and beauty benefits. This large truck features a robust chassis, high-capacity storage, and advanced suspension for smooth transport of sugar beets over long distances. The Nut Wizard is a rotating wire basket that collects nuts as you push it along the ground, allowing them to pass through the wires and into the basket. Cherry orchards are sensitive to pests like flies and aphids. Farmers control them by cultivating early varieties, such as Bigo cherries, which mature before pests cause damage. The pumpkin harvesting machine operates by gently gathering ripe pumpkins, utilizing automated processes. It features a conveyor system that transfers harvested pumpkins directly onto trucks in the field. This grape harvester navigates vine rows, gently shaking grapes into collection bins, ensuring efficient harvesting in snowy conditions. The green bean harvester operates by collecting beans into flexible storage bins, facilitating direct loading onto trucks in the field for efficient transport. The Frumaco OE 4.5 operates continuously with a special shaker and extended tray to collect fruits under a canopy, preventing drops and using a central seal for gathering. A tobacco harvester efficiently cuts and gathers tobacco leaves, equipped with specialized cutting mechanisms and storage compartments for optimal leaf collection and handling. A cabbage harvester efficiently cuts and collects cabbage heads, utilizing adjustable cutting blades and conveyor systems for precise harvesting and handling. Simon's RPNC West Garlic Harvester features specialized garlic harvesting technology with precise cutting blades and automated handling systems. Watermelons are over 90% water, making them a hydrating choice. Historically, explorers used hollowed-out watermelons to store water on long journeys. Grapes harvested are carefully brought to the winery for thorough cleaning to prevent crushing. They are then prepared for the next stage of wine production. The John Deere T660i hemp harvester efficiently cuts and collects hemp plants, featuring advanced cutting mechanisms and robust storage options for optimal harvest quality. The citrus harvester, equipped with a flexible SDC shaking system and Norea basket system. It meets orchard needs with on-the-go unloading and continuous harvesting capabilities. This fruit shaking harvester features a wide canopy around tree trunks to catch fruit during shaking, preventing drops and ensuring efficient harvest. Do you know about cranberries? They're grown 98% in the US and processed into products like juice, sauce, jam, and sweetened dried cranberries. Lavender, a small woody plant native to southern Europe. This modern lavender harvester rotates at 2000 RPM, saving time and effort compared to manual methods. Next, the Kangnong Company Limited garlic planter efficiently plants garlic cloves or bulbs using paper-wrapped seeds and thread. It cultivates soil and places garlic strings underground in a single operation. The organic livestock feed mixer turns and blends feed, then automatically dispenses it into livestock pens. This machine features a peeler that secures melons for rotation, facilitating easy peeling. Peeled melons then move to the inspection table. Macadamia is a large tree species native to Australia. Its primary product is the macadamia nut. As we can see here, farmers are currently harvesting macadamia nuts. In 2021, California produce represents 95% of the nation's total grape production, valued at approximately $5.2 billion. Grapes are packed on site after harvest. Interested in visiting to pick your own? The Class Cougar mower excels with its ability to swiftly cut through extensive areas, managing 25 acres in just 30 minutes. It's an ideal choice for large-scale agricultural tasks. Farmers till soil to support olive growth, using machinery for planting seedlings in rows with precise spacing. Seedlings are anchored to support sticks. The New Holland TS-115 tractor, equipped with a Classliner 3000 rake, gathers grass into rows, preparing it for collection by the forager. Now, let's visit an orchard in China. Harvest pears at the right time to fully enjoy autumnal sweetness. Here is what happens during the apple packaging stage at a factory. The pesticide spraying machine for cabbage fields features multiple spray heads arranged in a row, ensuring comprehensive coverage across the entire field. The B4V2 baler is a game changer for farmers and ranchers handling hay bales. It offers management with self-loading capability, eliminating the need for manual lifting and carrying of bales. The coconut husking machine operates by holding the coconut and rotating a blade around its husk, effectively removing it. We're at an Arizona cantaloupe farm where melons are sent to a factory for processing after picking. The large-scale wheat harvester operates by cutting mature wheat stalks with its sharp blades. It then gathers the cut wheat directly into containers for transport, ensuring efficient harvesting operations. These machines are well suited for rice and offer versatile uses. With this equipment, farmers can expect efficient overall farming efficiency and product quality. Some peppers are sold fresh, while others are cut and canned. Robotic arms with precise programming handle the cutting process, them like this. This combine harvester efficiently gathers grass into bundles and quickly bales them neatly. In May, Yame's tea producers in Fukuoka, Japan are busy. EQ follows Takaki-san's team as machines harvest the year's first fresh leaves for Shincha tea. Next, we have the Teagle Telehawk T2, a hydraulic bale spreader for round and rectangular bales. It attaches to any telehandler, spreading straw up to 44 feet for better bedding and animal comfort. Wine production grapes are harvested when ripe, typically between August and October. Grape harvesters significantly boost efficiency, with canopies yielding several kilograms to hundreds of kilograms annually. Let's see how people prepare Christmas trees each year, starting with the first step, planting the trees. In factories, eggs are incubated under controlled conditions, ensuring optimal temperature and humidity for successful hatching. Pistachio trees take 3 to 5 years to bear fruit. Ripe pistachios turn yellow and fall to the ground, where workers collect them by hand. At an Israeli date farm, workers use specialized equipment to shake trees, collect falling dates in nets, and then sort and pack them, blending tradition with modern technology. The John Deere 7260R tractor, equipped with a 7-furrow LO100 on-land plow, efficiently prepares fields for planting, ensuring thorough and precise soil cultivation. Octopus Biosafety is a leading provider of safety gear for handling biological materials, ensuring secure workplaces in agriculture, healthcare, and beyond with efficient, top-notch products. Imagine your chicken farm with a robot helper like this. It would be really convenient, wouldn't it? The row crop cultivator is designed to meticulously till the soil between rows of crops, effectively managing weeds and aerating the soil without disturbing the plants. This pumpkin peeling and cutting machine is excellent for streamlining the processing workflow, isn't it? The Class Serion 3300 VC Octopus ditch bank mower efficiently cuts vegetation in steep terrain and along ditch banks, ideal for maintaining roadside and irrigation areas. Now, let's visit the melon garden. Bright yellow orbs hang from lush vines like sunny lanterns, ready to bring bursts of juicy sweetness to anyone who picks them. This remote-controlled automatic lawn mower is perfect for farmers or small gardeners alike. The cucumber harvesting robot navigates rows of plants using its sensors to identify ripe cucumbers. With precision, it picks and collects each cucumber. Have you ever been curious about how salt is made from seawater? Let's take a look. After harvesting from the field, corn is husked and cleaned to prepare it for subsequent complex processes. From now on, planting crops becomes effortless with this compact machine. Stay connected with the future of agriculture technology. Don't miss out on more insights and updates by subscribing to our channel. Explore how these innovations are shaping the landscape of farming and ensuring a more productive and sustainable future.